Hallo Leute, willkommen zurück auf meinem Kanal. Guten Tag! Heute haben meine Freunde und ich keine Arbeit und so verbringen wir den Tag. Nagkataon na naman po na sabay-sabay kami ng day off, kami ng mga kaibigan ko. So, nagkayayaan na naman po na mag-ihaw-ihaw. Ayan po ang ulam namin for today. Inihaw na pork chop. O, diba? Yung mga kaibigan ko po, magaling po sila mag-marinate. Ayan po ang aming ulam. Actually, ngayon lang po namin ito nagagawa ulit kasi summer po dito ngayon sa Germany. Pag winter na po ulit, wala po kaming time na mag-ihaw-ihaw. So, ayan po, sinusulit na po namin ng summer. Ayan ang aming ulam. Ayan, brush. In fairness, masarap po yung ulam namin. Masarap po yung pagka-marinate ng kaibigan po namin. Kayo po, mga kapwa ko nurses, ano po yung bonding time nyo ng mga kaibigan nyo dyan? Kami po, ang bonding po namin kumain. Ayan po, tuwing nagkikita po kami, lagi na lang po ang inisip namin, tara, labas, kain tayo. Ayan. Opo, nasa labas po kami. Sa labas ng apartment. Ayan po. Inihaw na chicken, inihaw na pork. O, diba? Nung araw na po pala na yan, hindi lang po pala kami mga Pilipino. Meron pa po kaming dalawang kasama na ibang lahi. Yung isa po, Indian. Hello, shout out to you, Sanggita. And yung isa naman po from Vietnam. Hello, shout out to you, Jens. Ayan, mga kaibigan po namin sila. Pero syempre, hindi ko naman na po ipapakita sa video. Ayan po, ang sarap ng ulam namin. Pork ribs. Sarap. Itsura pa lang. Ang sarap-sarap na. O, diba? Kain po tayo, guys. Sana kayo rin. Masarap ang ulam. And then, ayan po, meron din po kaming mangga. In fairness, yung mangga po na nabibili po namin dito sa Germany, matamis naman po, masarap naman po. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung mangga natin sa Pilipinas. Ayan po. Ayan, may mangga din po kami. Tas may pork, syempre, pang dessert later. O, diba? Ayan po. Tapos, with beer. Ayun po, kain po tayo. Actually, hindi pa po kompleto yan. Hinihintay pa po namin yung iba pa naming ulam at dessert. Ayan. O, diba, syempre, nakaugalian na bago kumain. Kailangan may documentation, may pa-video. Ayan po, meron din kaming pansit. Ayan, syempre, hindi mawawala ang pansit. Ayan po. Malapit na kaming kumain. Gutom na mi. Ayan. Hinihintay na lang po naming mabalatan yung mga iba pang prutas. Ayan po, para makumpleto na yung laman ng lamesa at makakain na po kami. Ayan, hinihintay na lang po namin. Ayan, andyan na, kumpleto na. Kain po tayo.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Live at night.
That's all. Thanks for watching. Tschüss.